Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing on Windows 11. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Your Windows 11 computer might not show a Wi-Fi connectivity option due to various reasons. Corrupt Wi-Fi drivers, hardware issues, and even problem with the Windows OS can be the potential causes for this problem. You may also notice frequent Wi-Fi connection drops. So, in this video, I will show you how to fix it. If you need to use internet connection but your Wi-Fi won't showing, you can use the hotspot using USB tethering. You can check on my previous video. I've made a video about how to share internet connection using hotspot on USB. So now here's I'm using internet connection with my USB. So to fix the internet connection, here if I'm not showing, you can just click right on the connection and you can diagnose network problems. Now you can change from remote NDS compatible device to internet wireless. In here, if there was a problem connection to Wi-Fi, you can restart the Wi-Fi network adapter. You can restart the adapter. If it still doesn't work, you can just reset the Wi-Fi device. And here, you can restart your modem router or access point, and you can connect to different Wi-Fi network. You can try it. You can wait, or you can restart your computer or laptop, and you can check again if the Wi-Fi is showing or not after you try this, like this one and also this one. So simple, right? And after you try all of this, like restart the Wi-Fi network adapter, reset the Wi-Fi device, you can restart your computer, and you can see in here your Wi-Fi will be showing again on your PC or laptop. It's so simple, right? So that is how to fix Wi-Fi one showing on Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.